Alright, Marenko. Restriction. Yeah. It's so funny about this one. Fucking, this thing's been low like 5 times. I lost this fucking job. Big job. And they keep calling me back to fix this bullshit. It's hilarious. I'm about fucking had it. About where I'm at. Last time the TXV was bad and they had a leak. So they had someone else fix the leak, and then they didn't fix the TXV, and then they called me back, and I was like, the TXV's still fucking bad, and the TXV's still bad right now. Yeah. Ba-bam, ba-bam. Crazy. Okay. Customer already had a hose for me set up. Badass. That's good shit. Yeah. That's where I'm at. Get the drain done first. Yeah. Nothing like having the fucking sprayer bed. Nothing like it. Got some hot water. Oh yeah, we making a mess. Yep. I love it. I fucking love it. I bet that drain's plugged up. I guarantee it. Get this melted. And the bracket's broken. Yay! Yay!